Hello everybody, today we will be doing a $1,500 budget PC build. And for our first thing is the CPU. So we chose the AMD Ryzen 7 3700X. I don't know why I'm saying we, it's just me by myself. But this is a top of the line CPU which can handle editing, gaming, pretty much anything you throw at it. And you'll be able to play really nice settings and have fast rendering speed. I don't know what you're doing, gaming, editing, whatever floats your boat. And it depends on your needs, but you might want to get this cooler. The cooler that comes with this processor is a pretty good cooler. It might be able to suit your needs, but if you're doing like really heavy overclocking or something like that, you might want to get this cooler or water cool if you have the money, but this will do just fine. And for our motherboard, we chose the MSI B450 Tomahawk Max. This is one of the more high-end B450 chipsets. So there is X470 and X570, but we're on a we're not on a tight budget. But this is a really good motherboard. Or you could choose another option, which is the X470, which is you can find some of them for 130, 140 bucks. That will probably be better than this, or just as good. Do what you want. And for memory, we chose 16 gigabytes of 3200 speed memory, CL16. So I know Ryzen likes faster memory, so if you want, this was a really good deal for memory that I found for 46 bucks. But I would recommend upgrading this to 3600 speed, so you could get faster frames and everything. And make sure you get dual channel, because dual channel will definitely improve your performance. Alright, for storage, this depends on your needs. If you're someone like a content creator, or if you're just playing a few indie games, and you don't plan on playing those like huge 250 gigabyte like games, then this will be plenty. But if you're gonna be like the average gamer and play AAA games, then you might want to spend $50 more for 2 terabytes of storage. And if you're just a normal gamer, this will be plenty of storage for you. So you could get a few games on this SSD in Windows, obviously, so you could boot Windows quickly. So that will only bring the price slightly over budget, but if you're spending $1,500, you could probably most likely afford to spend another 50 bucks for a bunch of space. Alright, and probably the most important part, or the part everyone wants to see, is the graphics card. So this is the 2080 Super 8GB. So this is one of the best top of the line cards out there as of August 2020. But 3000 series is coming out, so you might want to wait for that. Or Big Navi, which is coming out later this year if you're Team Red. I think it's called Big Navi. And for case, this is pretty much personal preference as long as it fits your motherboard, which is this is an ATX size motherboard and this is an ATX case. So yeah, this will be fine. But choose something that looks nice and fits your needs. And for lastly, a power supply. This may be a bit overkill, but this is 750 watts, 80 plus gold certified. So this is a really good power supply, which I'll be getting as well. But this power supply will give you a nice upgrade path for time to come and will last you lots of years. So this part will probably really last you the longest out of any of the parts here. So that's pretty much it, and it's ATX, so it will fit our case. So this is pretty much, if you know a bit more about PCs, you might be able to make some changes based on your personal preferences and everything else. But yeah, this is pretty much my part list, and thank you for watching.